ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, is the space agency of the Government of India. Formed in 1969, ISRO separated the erstwhile INCOSPER, Indian National Committee for Space Research, established in 1962 by the effort of independent India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and his close aide and scientist Vikram Sarabhai. ISRO built India's first satellite Aryabhatta, which was launched by the Soviet Union on 19 April 1975. In 1980, Rohini became the first satellite to be placed in orbit by an Indian-made launch vehicle PSLV-3 made by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. ISRO subsequently developed two other rockets, PSLV and GSLV, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle or PSLV for launching satellite into polar orbit, and the GSLV Geosynchronized Satellite Launch Vehicle for placing satellites into geostationary orbits. These rockets have launched numerous communication satellites and Earth observation satellites. Satellite navigation systems like Gagan and IRNSS have been deployed. In January 2014, ISRO successfully used an indigenous cryogenic engine in a GSLV-D5 launch of the GSAT-14. ISRO sent a lunar orbiter, Chandrayaan-1, on 22 October 2008 and a Mars Orbiter mission on 5 November 2013, which successfully entered Mars orbit on 24 September 2014, making India the first nation to succeed on its first attempt to Mars, and ISRO the fourth space agency in the world as well as the first space agency in Asia to successfully reach Mars orbit. On 18 June 2016, ISRO successfully set a record with a launch of 20 satellites in a single payload. On 15 February 2017, ISRO launched 140 satellites in a single rocket PSLV C-37 and created a world record. ISRO launched its heaviest rocket, Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark III or GSLV Mk3, on 5 June 2017 and placed a communication satellite GSAT-19 in orbit. With this launch, ISRO became capable of launching 4-ton heavy satellites. Future plans include the development of ULV, development of a reusable launch vehicle, human space flight, controlled soft lunar landing, interplanetary probes, and a solar spacecraft mission. Please like, comment, share.